that down.
That's it. Wish me luck. Got a delivery from Whole Foods of a few things that we ran out at home. I'm going to show you guys what I got. I'm a huge fan of this instant oatmeal. Sometimes I do this for myself and I love it with fruits and this specific crunchy butter spread. These Daniel takes with him to the camp. I also like this everything bagels. Jam for some peanut butter jelly croissants. Bread. Okay, this was supposed to be sliced one, but that's okay. Plant-based, whatever this is, sausages, because I don't eat meat. This is also lifesaver sometimes when Daniel needs something to eat and I'm not ready with the food. Cherries, yummy. Caesar salad, that's for me. Craving some sour cream. My favorite soup. Bananas. A few avocados. We are ice cream people, so 2 of gooey butter, butter cake, the best one. They have Prime Day sales, so typically this one costs like $9, I think. I got it for like $3.90, basically like $4, so it's 50% sale. And this one also, normally the price is $6-7. I got this for $3 something, so it's also 50% sale on all ice creams. So we stuck up with the ice cream for a few days. Got all the kids and going to watch Portugal game tonight. Hopefully the rain is not going to stop us because the weather is awful and we want to do the outdoors. Everyone is, not everyone, but almost everyone is wearing Portugal or Ronaldo t-shirts. So let's go Portugal. That's my nationality for tonight. Who are you voting for tonight?
Portugal.
Portugal.
Ronaldo. Portugal. Vice versa.
You see? Okay. Cool. Let's go.
Don't drink it while you walk, because then it'll spill.
Is always up front. Cristiano Ronaldo, one of many superlatives for him. He broke a drought of 10 matches without 2 goals that are dignitaries in the building here in Miami tonight. This was by FIFA's own information. The are still changing hands for $7,000 in some cases. This is one that you and I looked at as well. Once that stage bring that down. As they're working hard to keep the ball for Portugal. Great deception. Opportunity to low percentage areas like this. He's maybe the world's best decoy because you're going to be so focused on what he's doing. Janet's and Bruno Fernandes are over it as well. It is Ronaldo! Cordova's going to be able to control this ball. Get a shot on target. Starting the World Cup the last time the rugby were there in 2018. He broke his leg a couple years later with 3.
Нету гола. Офсайд.
I'm not sure. Believe me.
Training is done. Still not there to start filming myself at the gym, but I did 30 minutes cardio, 10 minutes stretching, and 20-minute weights. Just sitting at the car with Daniel. I think I need to get a magnet microphone, like a tiny one. Just sitting in the car talking with Daniel, looking at the stats for our vlogs. Daniel is so smart about these things. He's going to wrestling right now.
Yeah, I am.
His favorite part of Sunday. Yeah, I'm going.
Actually, night is my favorite part.
I'm going to Whole Foods. Yeah, I did some shopping yesterday online, but I still need a few things that were missing. Probably going to grab a lunch somewhere. And finally, no guests. It's just us. We're going to... You had a lot of fun this past few days.
You said no guests. I did just that.
I mean, I just want to relax and
I had guests.
You did. That's what I'm saying. So guests, it's great. We all had fun. I love guests. I love when Daniel's friends are coming over. It's just I love my Sunday night and I need to watch a few shows. Yeah, today is the final episode for the series From is coming out. I'm a huge fan. I love dark stuff. Yeah, we're going to chill. It's raining and yeah, and tomorrow is a new week. We have a lot of work to do, Daniel. Back to work mode, as I like to say. I got myself tuna sandwich. I love tuna. You know, I'm pescatarian, so I eat a lot of seafood, compensating not eating meat. Latte and tuna sandwich. I've had this before. I've been to this place in Annapolis. Come on, fix on me. Okay. I've been to Tostique place in Annapolis. It's great. It's so delicious. They have a lot of different sandwiches to pick from. So I highly, highly recommend this. Before I go to Whole Foods, I want to read something to you. I wanted to say this, but I think I'm going to say this the wrong way, so I asked ChatGPT to write me something that I can share with the people who watch this vlog. Tomorrow is June 29th. It's a full moon day. Lately, for the past 8 months, I started kind of being more interested in astrology. Honestly, I never really believed in horoscopes or anything like that. But whatever was going on in my life for the past 8 months made me find something else to believe in. So let me make my long story short and read something to you. Tomorrow is the full moon, and a lot of people who follow astrology see it as a time of wrapping things up, letting go of what no longer serves you, and bringing certain chapters to a close. Right. So every full moon, basically, something in your life is going to come to a certain end or certain conclusion. And right after that, we're heading into Mercury retrograde. I'm not sure if you guys are, just scroll this or skip this if you don't believe in this stuff. So Mercury retrograde, a period that's often associated with delays, miscommunication, and things from the past that coming back around. Think whatever might come back to your life. Whether you believe in astrology or not, thanks ChatGPT for putting it this way, I always think that's a nice reminder to slow down a little. Agree. Yep. Double check important things and finish what you've already started instead of rushing into something new. So whether you believe in these things or not, I personally do believe in God. I do believe in astrology now. And I believe in whatever happens for a reason. Let's call it a destiny. ChatGPT helped me to say what I wanted to say. I have a very analytical mind, and that's true. So I naturally like looking for patterns. Maybe that's one of the reasons I find astrology so interesting. Yes, exactly. I find patterns in everything. That's just how I am. And now let's go to Whole Foods because I have 5% battery on this camera and you guys not gonna see what I'm going to buy. Okay, so it's just a few items that we're missing at home. Cheese for the omelette, chicken nuggets for Daniel to save my life sometimes, salmon for sandwiches because I told you I'm pescatarian, then eggs, my favorite milk, soy milk, orange juice that we love so much, potatoes, and just a few, whatever this is, mango, that's it.
If I do this, I stop right here, circle away. See that? When I go circle. See that? If I hit him with my hip, I'm good. I can follow him. But if I'm here, I'm going to lose it. See on space?
We're either pivoting or we're stepping in front. Either way, I want your hip hitting.
That's
I
good,
don't want you
James.
going around.
Back
Get
up.
up. Come on, let's go.
Both of you stay in a stance. Do this move in a stance.
High elbow, step in front. Boom.
How was the training?
It was pretty good. Today was a pretty good practice. We did better than usual.
You wanted to do the World Cup. You can have my phone.
Thank you.
Who's playing?
South Africa and Canada.
What do you want to win?
I'd say Canada.
Good choice. Got a few packages and they all arrived almost at the same time. These are just basic essentials, nothing exciting, but I thought I'm going to show you what I got in this vlog, as part of this vlog. And I'm going to start with Korean masks. These are Rejuren. These are for hydration, targeted lifting, and it tightens pores, boosts skin elasticity, and smoothes wrinkles. Exactly what I need for old lady like me. Pokemon cards. Actually pretty heavy. So I'm going to surprise him with these Pokemon cards later today. I already forgot what I ordered, honestly. The pre-workout I was talking about. This is the one I'm taking almost every time I go to the gym. I like it. I've been using for a very long time. My body doesn't like itch when I have it. So I just take 1 scoop before I do my cardio. This has watermelon taste. It's really delicious. I love it. If you guys didn't try it, I recommend it. And oil body wash from Dove. Never tried it before. I wanted to get something that's not that pricey. And let me see. Does it smell good? Yeah, it smells like baby shampoo. The next thing. This is Beauty by Jason Green Plum Refreshing Cleanser. I already showed you this cleanser before in my Tahoe vlog. I use this cleanser on a daily basis in the mornings. It's very gentle. So I like it and I decided to repeat it. Another thing I'm repeating for 5th time, I think. Maybe I'm mistaken. This is 345 Dr. Althea Relief Cream. I think this works well with every skin type. I like it before makeup, for your nighttime routine. This is good. This is also gentle. Oh, I know what this is. This is for Daniel. These are snacks. These are layered fruit bars, really delicious. I give them to Daniel when he goes to camp. And another thing, magnesium. I take it before I go to bed. I take magnesium and zinc. I also got a tiny camera for Daniel. This is for his computer. He wants to do his blogging thing as well, but he actually wants to do something different. He wants to film when he's playing games. So why not? Maybe we'll try. Maybe we'll try. And the last one, they had sale. I'm sure you guys are aware that they have sales twice a year, one for Christmas and one during the summer. I personally trying my best not to buy new clothes. I have a lot of clothes, and this year I came to understanding that buying something for just one occasion, to go out to someone's birthday or some other events and then put it in your closet, I don't do that. So this year I'm trying to reuse different outfits that I've kept for months, for years. So I think I got a few things here for myself, but they were absolutely not expensive. And this was rather a small treat, very small treat. But the reason I shopped at Zara in the first place is for Daniel, because they have good prices for kids' clothing and we need some warm clothing for him. I think I have another package coming in tomorrow. Not everything was sent at the same time. So this is for Daniel. And this is for Daniel. And this is for Daniel. Woohoo! I love this. It's really nice. Okay, I got everything from the floor. Underwear for Daniel as well. This is something I got for myself. Full earrings. I think they have this summery vibe, and I have a birthday to attend. Maybe I'm going to wear them for that birthday with my white dress. The dress code is all white. So the new accessory I'm going to have and feel completely in a new outfit would be these earrings. So that was the reason I got them. This is for Daniel. Love it. A few pairs of pants also for Daniel. God, he's getting so big. And that's it for Daniel. Got one t-shirt for myself. just a brown basic t-shirt. No, it's not a t-shirt, right? It's a shirt. It's a tank. It's a bra. What is this? So I got this thing for myself. And this is something I'm actually excited about. Yeah, so 3 items for myself, everything else for Daniel. All the stuff that I got for him are for winter, for fall. Again, trying my best not to buy things that we don't need, especially clothing. I'm also going to have a package from Rhode. I ordered this glazing milk toner or whatever it is, because I have 2 toners. One is from Biologique, and that is an exfoliating toner, and another one I have is from Salimax. It's more budget version of a toner, and I use that one when I feel like I need just a gentle toning, nothing, you know, exfoliating. So I decided to try Hailey Bieber's Rhode glazing milk instead of Salimax. I did some comparison. So anyway, thanks for watching my unpacking. Hey guys, it's June 30th, the worst day of June so far. I was thinking whether I should film vlogging today or not, whether I should take you with me to the PTE exam or not, but since I committed to it, I had this on my mind, I decided I'm just gonna say how the things are going. I'm going through some deep personal stuff today, not feeling well. I am super drowned emotionally and just physically not doing good at the same time. So, because I am that person, if I commit to something, I'll do it. I was not able to reschedule this PTE exam, so I'm definitely going to show up. I'm pretty sure the score I'm going to get today is not going to be great, but it is what it is. It's important to me to still do it, and I just feel like I could cry at any moment. I hope I'm going to get it together and my emotional situation is going to just be better. But it is what it is. Let's see what this place is. I'm in Reston. I chose evening time because I could come here after work, and I'm not sure what's there for me. I know I'll have to do reading, spelling, I think. Let me just not imagine things I'm going to do. I guess I'll tell you what it was like. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, so there's no phones, no camera, no watches, nothing. I'm going to leave all my belongings, empty my pockets, and go to the testing room. Like I said, it's gonna be 2 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, so there's no filming. I have to go, leave all my belongings except for the passport, and do the test. That's it. Wish me luck. Okay, I have survived filming in the bathroom. This floor is super quiet. It was hard. I don't think that my level of English is great. It could be much better because I've been living in the United States for for more than 16 years. However, the topics they are discussing that you have to repeat or you have to fill out the blanks are just something that you don't discuss on your daily basis. So it was hard. There were a few questions I missed due to the time. There's strict timing on every single task. There's a lot of things that you had to do. You had to repeat the questions, you had to describe the conversations, you had to address some questions, you had to, like I said, fill in the blanks. It was interesting. For these 2 hours, I forgot about everything that was going on with me today. Kind of dived into that experience. So it was interesting. It was super cold. I'm glad I got my top with me. So that's it. Leaving. We're all done. Another day, another video of me in my car. Like I said, I think this is the most comfortable place for me to do vlogging. I kind of wanted to be as honest as possible to a certain level, obviously, in my vlogs, because it's hard to share your daily routine when you are pretty much feeling nothing inside. Like, I don't know, I just feel completely down, and I still have to show up for myself, show up for my son. I wake up and do everything I normally do. I go to work, I go to the gym, I cook, I clean, I run different errands. Like right now I'm sitting next to the postal office because I have to take care of some things. I run a few other things that are family related. So it's just, no matter how you feel inside, you keep moving forward. It's about me and my family and my husband and my kid. My heart is exhausted. I'm not sharing this because I want sympathy or a feedback or anything else. I'm just sharing this because the energy of the vlog is very important. And you can see when the energy is not matching for whatever person is trying to show. What I'm trying to say is, from the outside, it might seem like you're doing okay, I'm doing okay, but you never know what that person is going through. This is one of those moments when you remind yourself that just be nicer to people. Sorry, I keep turning off the camera because I have been a bit emotional. So what I'm trying to say is, maybe someone is going through something similar I'm going through. You're not alone. I hope that one day I'm going to watch this video from a much happier place. That this was just a chapter of my life and not my whole story. And now, let's get back to work. A moment of sadness is gone. Time to run to the postal office, go to the gym, cook dinner, work, arrange some other things. And actually, another thing that I'm going to have to take care of, I'm planning to move from my apartment that I live right now to a smaller one, and that's happening a bit earlier than I expected. We were supposed to move in October, but we decided to simply change the units within the building. So me and Daniel are going to take a look at the unit that's going to be very similar to whatever we're getting in August. Might take you there with me. Best stress relief ever. Did 30 minutes cardio, 10 minutes stretching, and 30 minutes upper body. I've cried, I've been worried, but it's time to pull myself together. It's another day, time to move on, and no more complaining in this vlog for sure. So today is Portugal with Croatia game, and my friend of our family invited me to go watch a soccer game. So I got my Ronaldo t-shirt and going to watch a game. Daniel is staying overnight at his friend's place tonight. Taking you with me. Let's go Team Portugal.
Stop down below us. Yeah, the substitutes there.
horas for the other one. Good.
Watch this, Alina, watch this. Go.
I love it!
Let's go. Oh, Ronaldo's back. Ronaldo's back. What the fuck?
Offside!
Offside.
They're gonna be playing extra time.
Сними, я сейчас с ним сделаю.
Давай. Danny. He went to help a beautiful girl with her car. Such a gentleman. I think he's taken her number. That's a love story right there. Got back home and got my PTE score results, and guess what? I got the highest score. I don't know how did I achieve this. That's a surprise for me, but I'm so happy. This is great. That's good to know that the level of my English is not that bad. I mean, it's not that bad, but when I speak to the camera, for some reason, I lose all the vocabulary. Like, I forgot everything, all the words, and the accent is thickens just as I start speaking. Good morning, taking you with me to my beautiful people. Just got to YOLO Beauty Zone. Time to change the manicure, and this was an extreme color for me for the months of June. I'm no longer feeling it. This time I'm going to get something chocolate, something brown, I think, something nude possibly. So that's the palette I'm choosing from. So the plan for today, it's a day off. July 3rd. It's a day off. I have manicure, I have haircut, and then I'm taking Danielle and we're going to a party. It's unexpected. It's related to 4th of July. Possibly going to witness some amazing fireworks tonight. We'll see. Either I'm taking you guys with me to this place in this vlog, or that will be a story for another one. We'll see. For now, let's go get some nails done.
Я вообще думала, на пенальти пойдут. Они как начали забивать, крутишь, опять не засчитали. В бедной Хорватии вообще...
Me and Daniel are going to a little boat party. Very thankful to be invited. It's an amazing start to this long weekend. We're celebrating America, like I said before. It's 4th of July tomorrow, so the fireworks, and tomorrow and Sunday and the rest of this week and next week you guys are going to see in the next vlog. I'm going to finish up the vlog with today's whatever event we're going to have. Might not be filming that much, but still, if we're going to watch some nice fireworks, I'm definitely going to put that in here in this vlog to finish up this amazing week that you spent with me. Thank you so much for watching anyway, and it was a pleasure filming this vlog. I'm getting used to it, getting used to having a camera with me, talking to the camera, and Daniel is doing what? Right, he's watching soccer. Who's playing?
Australia and Egypt. It's 1-1.
Hold on, have this.
It is Australia and Egypt who are playing 1-1, and they're playing overtime, 116th minute. That's all I have to say for now.
Awesome. We're going to watch Portugal and Spain on Monday, but you'll see that in my next vlog. Okay, go ahead.
So we were here. We were watching the game. Cabo Verde just tied with Argentina 2-2. So if Argentina gets kicked out, that's gonna be really surprising because Cape Verde is the most smallest country in the World Cup, and Argentina won the previous World Cup. So let's see if Argentina gets knocked out.
This is insane. Insane. 2-2. That's crazy. That's crazy. We're voting for Cape Verde or Capo de Verde or whatever you pronounce this country. Go. More. Come on. Because Cape Verde lost. We're not happy. We don't like Argentina. I mean, we love Argentina. We just don't want Messi to win the World Cup.
We did.